In this video, I'll show you how to install the Vice City map mod in GTA 5. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the script hook B and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin, select the script hook V and tin8.dll. Try and drop inside the game folder. And then go back. Open this config and open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager and make sure all three are installed. Then select edit mode and select yes option. Go to mods. If it doesn't have mods folder created for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to create a mods folder in GTA 5. Once created, open this update.rpf common data and scroll down. You can able to see game config. For old GTA 5 version users, open this old version and right click on the game and open file location. Find this GTA 5 exe, right click and select properties, go to details and find your game version, guys. In my case I have the latest version, so in my case it's not there. Once you find your game version folder, open the folder. For more mods, stock traffic, you get this XML file. For latest GTA 5 version users, open this GTA config B36 for more mods, stock traffic. And now try and drop this game config in OpenIV. Once you're done, go back, open the YCT remastered, go back to GTA 5, mods, update, X64 DLC packs, drag and drop this YCT inside. Once you're done, go back to GTA 5 and open mods, update, update.rpf. Now go back, update, update.rpf, drag and drop this X64 and common inside. Once you're done, open the common, data, scroll down and find DLC list, right click and select the edit option. Scroll down to the bottom. Copy this lost text like this. And next to item, press enter and paste the text we copied. Now go back in YCT remastered. Right click on the YCT and select rename. Copy the name. Now paste right in this place. Once you're done, select save option. And now go back to GTA 5 mods, update, X64 DLC packs and find YCT. Open the folder DLC. Open this fix and drop this content.xml inside and then open the optional. Open this X64 levels GTA 5 Vice City metadata and drag and drop all these files inside. Once you're done, close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press escape key and go to settings and go to graphics. Scroll down and find texture quality. Set this texture quality to normal. Once you're done, I'll show you guys the exact location. Navigate to this location. Once you are in, you can able to see Vice City in there. To go, you need to use the trainer to spawn a boat. Open the trainer. If it doesn't have trainer installed on your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install Menyoo trainer for GTA 5. Once installed, then navigate to boats. Choose the boat you like to spawn. And now you can explore the Vice City map in GTA 5. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.